Hi, my name is Aurel Yehuda. I'm an AI software solution engineer at Intel. In this presentation, you will see a demo of an AI reference kit that can help pharmaceutical companies to automate the visual inspection of pills. PyTorch is a highly popular AI and machine learning framework used for both research and production applications. It is an open source library used for deep learning tasks that require intense computation for training and inference, often pushing the limits of the available hardware resources. Intel has recently released its newest optimizations and features in the Intel extension for PyTorch, which are later integrated into the open source PyTorch framework. With just a few lines of code, you can benefit from the most up-to-date Intel software and hardware optimizations for PyTorch. The Intel extension for PyTorch also offers automatic mixing of different precision data types to reduce the model size and computational workload for inference. Additionally, you can add your own performance customizations using APIs. This makes it easier for developers and data scientists to take full advantage of Intel's software and hardware optimizations for PyTorch, leading to improved performance and faster inference times. Intel and Accenture have launched open-source AI reference kits for data scientists and developers to accelerate digital transformations. The kits apply PyTorch optimizations and Intel extension for PyTorch to enable the latest Intel hardware features, aiming for top performance. The demo is of an AI reference kit for pharmaceutical companies to automate the visual inspection of pills. The kit includes training data, an open-source deep learning model, libraries, user guides, and one API components to optimize performance and reduce operational costs. The AI Visual QC model was trained with the MV-Tech dataset and additional data, and uses SqueezeNet classification to determine if a pill is good or defective. If the confidence level is below the quality threshold, the pill can be routed for human inspection. The AI reference kit enables more accurate defect detection at scale, lower operational costs with fewer human inspections, up to 20% reduction in training time, up to 55% faster inferencing time, and over 95% predictive accuracy. The AI Visual QC model allows for better model performance without sacrificing detection quality, faster model training, and accurate detection at scale. It requires little to no code change and can lead to lower operational costs and higher profitability for pharmaceutical companies. It can also help in meeting product quality and regulatory compliance requirements while providing patient safety. For best practices and more information, please reference these links.